Ramen Talk Tonkotsu Chasu Noodles.
Ramen noodles. Bamboo shoots.
Chasu.
Seasoning paste for soup. Sesame and veggie flakes. Add-on dumplings, my favorite. Add-on crab stick too.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a foodie discovery channel, featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core, local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos to You channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food, which one is tasty and yummy, which one tastes so only.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
1-minute Kudos lecture to share how to eat ramen. Ramen noodles get soggy quickly and should be eaten immediately after they are served. As with other noodle dishes in Japan, a slurping sound is made when eating ramen. The slurping enhances the flavors and helps cool down the piping hot noodles as they enter your mouth. At the end of the meal, it is alright to leave some unfinished soup in the bowl.
Very big piece of chasu.
This is the signature of the ramen bowl. The noodles are firm, smooth and chewy. Very good quality ramen, similar to the ramen noodles ordered at ordinary ramen shop. Rich and creamy broth, great taste. Prawn dumpling, perfect match to tonkotsu ramen. Bamboo shoots are crunchy.
This is the most delicious piece, chasu.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 9.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.